Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef, and today we are making a Texas pot roast melt. This is going to be nice. I can't wait to start playing. But first, we want to make sure our pan is nice and hot. Chef, why do we want our pan hot before we put the oil in?
We get the pan nice and hot first before we put the oil in. If you have a cold pan, put the oil in once the pan's cold, the oil burns before the pan gets
Oh, why?
Well, no, I'm going to put the clip of the Ramsay thing in there.
Okay.
So we have our olive oil and our pan's nice and hot. You just want enough just to kind of cover this, and if we need to add more, we always can. So we're going to start out with our onions. So our onions are in, and we have a nice little sizzle. And so those onions will soak up some of that oil. And we have some diced fresh jalapeños. You can leave the seeds in or take them out. It's whatever you want to do. So we let these caramelize for a little bit. And then once they're about caramelized as much as I want, we'll add our garlic in. And then we're going to put our pot roast also in there. And this is just to get some of the juice out of the pot roast so that it doesn't make your sandwich mushy. And I'm going to add some black pepper to this. And this already smells, grilling onions and jalapenos smells so good. Hear that nice sizzle? So we're going to add just a little bit more oil. We are using olive oil. You can use whatever you'd like. We're going to add our garlic. Let that cook just a little bit. And then we'll add our pot roast. And if you guys want to find out how to make a wonderful pot roast, make sure you click on this link right up here. All right, so we're going to add our pot roast because we're right where we want to be. And like I said, this may add a little bit of juice. All right, we're going to take this off the heat and get ready to start building our sandwich. Here, come try this. Do a little taste test on the meat. Here, you can take the fork.
Oh, I get the fork and everything?
Yeah.
How nice. That's really good.
Oh, this is going to be so good. So our pan, we switched our pans. And we have a non-stick. Just because like when I'm doing grilled cheese, I like using a non-stick. So the pan's already hot. And you don't want this too hot. Just enough to melt that butter. Toasting your Texas toast. So I'm going to move that around just to make sure that butter gets real nice in there. And then we're going to take some American cheese. I know normally a melt is made on Swiss, but I like the idea of the American and the pot roast together. Or you could do provolone, whatever you want to use. It's up to you. There's a cheese that you like. Pepper jack would be really good with this. So we're going to take a good bit of our meat. Because, you know, everything's bigger in Texas, so we want a nice big cinch. And the good thing is this stuff is already hot, so the only thing we're really doing is letting the cheese melt and toasting our Texas toast. But you want to make sure your cheese covers your whatever bread you're using, so that's why I did 2 halves. I'm just going to mash that down a little bit. Man, I can't get enough of this.
It's delicious.
So we just pulled this out of the pan. It's got a nice buttery coat. So we're going to cut this thing in half. And look at that. If you can't get excited over that, I don't know. So we're going to do a little taste test here. Look at all that Look at all that cheese. Beef, onions, jalapeños. I know this is going to be good.
I know it is too.
I think I have found my new sandwich, my favorite sandwich. This is so good. Wow. Delicious. Guys, like I said earlier, if you need a good pot roast recipe, click on the link up here. I'll leave it up here. Just click on that, make your pot roast. You will want to make this Texas pot roast melt. Oh my goodness. This is delicious. The meat's so tender, juice. It's still juicy. The onions, the jalapenos, the garlic, the cheese. And I think I would do it with American cheese and not Swiss. But maybe do one with Swiss, one with American, one provolone. See what you like. Maybe even Munster. Munster would be good in there as well. So make sure you smash that like button. Share with your family and friends. Subscribe. It's free. Just hit that little subscribe button. And we appreciate you watching. God bless. Have a good day.